In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the circle counter module. The circle counters, as shown here, displays a number of your choosing and then animates the circle to fill to the percentage of your choosing. It's a great way to show stats to your visitors about your company or yourself in a fun and engaging way. So here's an example of an About Our Team page. It's pretty basic. We have some stats about our team, call to action, and down here above a call to action, I like to use those circle counters to give some stats about our company. Here's the builder representation of that page. So right above our call to action, I'm going to add a new section, and I'm going to insert a 4 1/4 column row. And in our first column, I'm going to click the Insert Modules button and look for the Circle Counter module, which is found right here. Now you can choose a title for each counter, which will be displayed in smaller text below the number. For this first one, I'm just going to say Design, and the number. Now you can think of the number as a percentage, so the number will be a percentage out of 100. So if you want to say have the bar fill up 70%, then you want to type in 70 here. So the number here, I'm going to say 70. Now you can choose to turn the percent sign on or off. In this case, I want to keep it on. And you can choose the text color, which will affect the number and the title. In this case, I want my text to be light because the background of the section is going to be dark. And then you can choose your bar background color. This will affect the fill of the bar as the bar fills in. This color will be used for the positive value. You can also, of course, add your admin label, CSS ID, and CSS class, which I'll leave blank for now. And like I said, I want the background to be dark, so I'm going to adjust the background image of this section. And let's see what we have so far. I'm going to click Update. And as you see, I have a new section here in this counter, which counts to 70%, and the bar fills up 70% of the way. Now let's add a few more. I'm just going to duplicate these, fill them into our other columns. And just an example, I'm going to change the colors of these a bit. And update. And there we go. You can see we have 4 counters all counting up to 70%. Of course, you might want to adjust that percentage and the title to be relevant to whatever you're trying to represent. And then we've chosen some nice colors that look good against our purple background. And we've chosen light text so that our text shows up against this dark background color. And that's a basic overview of using the circle counter.